I am Wyatt, the computer guy, and today we're going to put Windows 7 on this Windows XP computer through one of these adapter feeds. Let's get a better look at the camera. Here, Molex 2 Power SATA. So you can use modern drives. Of course, there's already a SATA port in there, so you won't need to worry about allowing the drive to send data. So, let's see, where is the drive? Here we are, this very dark part of the computer. I'll have to extract it from here. Now that I have extracted the drive, this drive is a Western Digital 640 gigabyte drive. Now, let's remove it from this stupid little chassis, which I really hate. This chassis isn't really good for anything. It's very hard to get on, so... and it's really hard to get off. So, see you when I'm done. Now that we have everything unplugged, it is time to take apart the computer and, well, insert the new drive. We have the computer plugged in and fully operational. We can plug it in and see what happens. We'll boot up into Windows 7 or will not. We're about to see. Windows is loading files. That is an extremely good sign. That means Windows 7 is in this computer. Awesome. Oh, ooh, got some more Windows files. Alright. This is a Windows loading files loop. Yeah, that's good. Looks like it's stuck in a loop. You can't get out. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. This was definitely a loop. Never good with that. So, we're going to reinstall Windows 7. Where is Windows 7? Windows 7 Home Preview. Here we are. Windows 7. Precious Windows 7. Too bad this is continued by Microsoft. This thing I have some really good memories with. Also, I just remembered I installed 64-bit Windows 7 on this drive. So we're going to need to install 32-bit. So it's compatible with my CPU. So we have the disc right here. Yes, Windows 7 Home Premium. And it's turning on. Let's insert the DVD ROM. Perfect. It's loading. Windows setup is loading. See slow loading and not just boot. Of course, it could have just been that drive I installed Windows 7 on, used the wrong bits version. This thing only supports 32-bit. The installed version of the disk is 64-bit. That does not work well with this. But I'm installing 32-bit operating system now. And it's also loading the files. Starting Windows, that is a good sign, extremely good sign. Oh yes it is. Oh, doesn't that little screen make you nostalgic? The CD drive's doing something. The setup screen, yay! The screen I want to go to. English, United States, and install This is installing quickly. I accept. And it's installing the Zonar drivers. Perfect. Another thing I need to do is expand Windows to this monitor because we have a dual monitor setup. So if we, let's see, display. Of course, it's expand this. We will do adjust resolution. Advanced settings. Okay. Let's expand it to the highest resolution we've got, and apply. Ooh, keep changes. Perfect. But it's not perfect at the same time. The resolution's a bit shifted and weird. I'll have to. We'll have to adjust resolution. Alright. Perfect. We have Windows 7 installed on the Windows XP computer. Now, let's see about Windows Media Player. See if the sound works. Alrighty, we have Windows Media Player installed. Let's go to Music. Aha! Let's play some Ninja Tuna, shall we? Or perfect! We have the sound drivers working. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. For more content like this, subscribe to Wyatt's Tech Corner channel, and my videos will improve over time. This is my first time making a video like this, so you can really support me by hitting that like button. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.